What's up guys, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. But today I have a super quick and easy how-to video, and we're going to be installing some new windshield wiper blades on the Challenger. In springtime you get a lot of rain, and today's no exception. We do have a bunch of rain on the way, and we actually have about 10 days of rain and thunderstorms heading our way. So I figure now's the perfect time to get these on. It's super quick, super easy, and I was debating whether or not to even film this video, but I figured there might be somebody out there that doesn't know how to do this, so if I could just help one person, then I'm happy. So let's go ahead and put these on. Raise the arm holding on the windshield wiper. Open the tab on the new windshield wiper blade and slide it into place. It can only go on one way. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Super simple video, like I said, I know. But this is something pretty important. You don't want to be caught in the middle of a big rainstorm and you don't have good windshield wiper blades. But I think I did it just in time because it's starting to sprinkle and kind of come down right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to let me know with a big thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe for new videos every single week. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys found this helpful. And until my next video, take care and be safe. Peace.